Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Omnisend for automated abandoned cart revenue step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Omnisend website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Fill in the required information to set up your profile. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Omnisend. Once verified, log in to your Omnisend account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Integrations tab on the left sidebar and click it. Scroll through the list of available integrations to find your e-commerce platform. Select your e-commerce platform and follow the prompts to connect your store. Once connected, return to the main dashboard. Navigate to the Automation tab found in the left sidebar. Inside the Automation section, click on Create Workflow to set up your abandoned cart campaign. Choose the Abandoned Cart Workflow template from the available options. Customize the workflow as per your requirements. Edit the email templates to match your brand's voice and design. Set the trigger for your automation, typically within a few hours after cart abandonment. Adjust the timing and frequency of follow-up emails as needed. Add any additional steps, such as SMS reminders if desired. Save your changes and activate the workflow. Test the workflow by simulating an abandoned cart to ensure everything functions smoothly. Monitor the performance of your abandoned cart emails through the Analytics dashboard. Make any necessary adjustments based on the performance data you collect. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to generate revenue through automated abandoned cart emails using Omnisend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.